We will have futures trade erratically for a full hour. I think, David, we could literally be down and up 500.
That's right. Okay, it's not going to be about the move. It's going to be about the discussion of it afterwards. So this is actually important.
Oh, no, it really is.
Sometimes we sell you. This is important,
probably
right,
the most important day of I know you're going to say, Jim, that's hyperbole.
Don't.
It's pronounced as hyperbole.
Yes,
David.
it is. How big are you going here? Biggest day of what?
Of 2018.
No.
Oh, wait, you got a bigger one? Oh, Eagles won the Super Bowl. But honestly, I mean, here's why I think it's important. Because if he comes and starts talking about what someone was talking about from our network earlier, that it may be 2 next year, oh, that's a disaster. We don't want to hear anything about what it may be. We want to hear, and we're going to look at the data.
So,
because
we want to hear that we did this.
He ain't a seer. Because at the absolute top of the economy, the absolute top of which he may have caused, he said things are the best. He and Brian Cornell at Target, the best ever. You know, you got to be careful when you say the best. And when you do it on that huge forum that is Judy Woodruff, I mean, let's be a little careful. So he did the unfathomable, which is say we may have to overshoot. I know he needs to take that back. He needs to take it back. And he needs to stop saying, listen, it might be only 2 next year. What the hell does he know?
How's that going to sound? What's that going to sound like in Fed speak? Although Powell is more of a straight.
He's a straight guy.
Talker.
Look, if you meet the guy, he's not part of that language. Right. He just say, listen, you know what, I was a little too exuberant. I was a little irrationally exuberant. He can even use a Greenspan line.
Yep.
And then all's forgiven, David. And he doesn't. You know, I'm not asking him to say that he started a recession, because he didn't. That he tanked the stock market, none of his business. I'm not asking him to say that he got it completely wrong when he said that the market was really strong. I'm not asking for that. I'm asking for a little humility, because he's just a person, and we treat the Fed as if they're some sort of temple of money. Okay, they're not a temple of money. They're a bunch of guys trying to get it right and have got it wrong a whole lot.
They have.
And I don't want 37 on our watch.
They are hard-working people, though, and as Gunlock pointed out, 700 PhDs, but they don't know anything more than you know.
A PhD.
I know.
I'm a PhD
you and I
talking to 100
spend our days
CEOs.
talking to a lot of CEOs.
PhD.
I know. It's true. And we have as
I'm a
good
Juris
sense.
Doctor. I know how to settle a lawsuit against Johnson & Johnson.
Do you really?
Yeah, you just say, hey, listen, I want to settle.